You have created something truly unique.
Your experiences leave lasting impressions.
AREA15 has accomplished something extraordinary.
You're one of the most visually compelling destinations in Las Vegas.
Omega Mart already wins attention.
Our job is to turn that attention into attendance.
Answering the purchase questions that drive conversions.
We'll allow our campaign to target tourist bookings and local repeat visitation. AREA15 and Market Share Digital is a chef's kiss.
Market Share Digital is here to be your strategic growth partner.
Our agency is focused on measurable business results,
We understand businesses have different needs.
which is why we tailor specific campaigns that help with your specific needs.
Running a business is like designing a roller coaster. Yeah.
The goal is to create an experience so memorable they want to ride again and tell everyone.
Businesses don't invest in marketing because they want more posts.
They want more customers, more visibility, and more revenue, which we help deliver.